I have today a super exciting unboxing. Like, I am so excited. This company reached out to me about a week or two ago. It's been really quick. And they had a product that I have been wanting for years. Like, when I first wanted it, I don't think it actually existed. This is the first time that I've actually seen it usable for laptops. So this is something that I was like, how can I make this work with my laptop? And wouldn't it be nice if it could travel with me? And I had all these cool little ideas, and it didn't exist, or at least I couldn't find it. It probably existed for people who, had unlimited amounts of money. But the really cool thing is, even though what I have here is obviously something that they have sent to me, even with that, like, obviously I didn't pay for this, they sent me this to review, but the price is still awesome, okay? So this is something that I could have afforded. It's very affordable compared to what I thought something like this would cost. So without further ado, okay, but that's okay because I'm so excited. Okay, let's see. We have a box, and inside the box is another box. Duex. I don't really speak French. Portable laptop monitor for anywhere the work takes you. Okay, so guys, this is super cool. We're going to open it all up. And what this is it is a second monitor for my laptop, which is like so amazing. And it is portable. I mean, this is in the box. Look how tiny it is. Okay, it's going to be even tinier than that once we get it out of all the packaging. I mean, like, this is already portable, and it's not even open yet. Okay, so this box is really nice, actually. I love this because when I'm not using it, if I need to store it, this is like, look at this. This is a really thick box. Okay, so setup guide, and we have, you can scan the QR code, or you can visit the link, and there's the link. I'm just holding everything together. And it says, turn over. So here, I'll pull this out. So here's my little setup guide. And I love that you can scan the code, or you can go and visit the link. And then you turn this over, and it's telling you exactly how to use your new, awesome, amazing, I'm over a table, by the way. I did not just flip that over into midair. I flipped that over onto my table so I can get it out carefully. Okay, and look, everything in here, inside behind it was the little instruction manual and extra adhesive. Okay, for anywhere work takes you. It's a nice little motto. And then this plug. Okay, and here is the back of the screen. It's got little magnets, and so those little dots are magnets. And let's see. All right, but there is all sorts of instructions as to when to use the template, when not to use the template. So basically, what I see here is that, obviously I'm going to go through. I'm not going to just kind of wing it on a live here with you. I'm going to follow the instructions to properly set everything up. But these little magnets have stickers on them so they could stick onto the back of my laptop. And then the screen will stick onto the back of my laptop. And then once the screen's stuck onto the back of my laptop, hold on, it's a lot harder to do. There we go, when it's not actually stuck on. You see now, imagine this is stuck, this is my laptop right here. Okay, if my laptop were, this was stuck, so this would be stuck onto the back of the laptop, and then I can just slide my screen out from the back of the laptop. Okay, so now I have a second screen next to my laptop. And so that's the second screen. So this right here would be my laptop screen, and this is attached to the back of it. Here's my second screen, but look. I can move it so that I can have my screens at an angle. I can also flip it all the way back so that my screen is here, my second screen is on the back. So if I'm teaching a little round table, and I do round tables a lot at conferences and stuff, I can be looking at my laptop screen facing me, and you guys can be looking at, I can have the same screen on both screens. So I would have what I'm looking at here, and I'm typing, and then you all would be looking at the same thing if you were sitting across me at the table. Or, like I said before, we can have it so that I have, this is my laptop screen would be right here facing, in this case facing you, and so with this one, so I would have two screens facing the same direction, and I can have two different screens on here. So you can use it as two screens for working, when you want to have the two-screen view, which I want a lot of times when I'm cutting and pasting. I'll write a pattern. I might write a pattern on a Google Doc, and then I want to paste certain things into my my website, into Jessie at Home, to share with you guys. And so I could have my website up on my laptop screen, which obviously you can't see right now because I'm using it talking to you. And then I could have, if the laptop screen was here with the blog, I would have my Google Doc right here, and I could easily bounce back and forth cutting and pasting without having to constantly change my window and change my view. And when you do the side by side or even the quadrant views on your computer, they don't usually show you the whole screen, which can be really annoying. So this would show the whole screen. So this is so super cool, and I am unbelievably excited, okay? So I'm going to follow all the directions and properly attach this to my computer. I'm not going to wing it here and just pretend like I know what I'm doing, because Mobile Pixels has made this all so super easy. They give you all the instructions. They have all of the cords you need. Everything you need is right here, okay? And this is like the simple box kit that they give you. There's also, they have, like I said, they have one where you can have two additional screens, which gives you three screens total, right? Your regular screen plus the two extras. And they also have mobile kits, so they would have the little bag to carry it in. They have stands so your screen can stand alone. I'm hoping that I can use this. I'm hoping that I can use this one if I just open it up and flip it. As I'm going to see if I can attach it to my previous laptop. The screen shattered. It's just, they don't make the screen to go with it anymore. It would have cost more than a new computer to replace the screen on my old laptop. So the old laptop still works. I just can't use the screen, right? So I'm hoping that maybe I can use this with the old laptop. And the nice thing about that is it's not like this would just be set up with the old laptop and then that would be it. I'd never be able to use it for anything else. No, it's teeny. It's teeny tiny, okay? That is a quarter of an inch, okay? At its thickest spot, its absolute thickest spot right here, where you've got the little thing to hold and everything, is not even an inch thick. It is tiny, okay? It is so thin. It's awesome. So I can use this if it works. If my old laptop is not so old and sad that it'll actually work, I would still be able to use it with this laptop that I'm on right now as a second screen as well, and I would just move it back and forth, because this is just the second screen that pairs up with whatever laptop it's attached to. It does not hold all the memory or have to be specifically to this computer or that computer, which is so awesome. And the other great thing is it means that you can if you have a computer at work and a computer at home, you can take the extra screen back and forth and use it with either computer. All right, so this is super cool and awesome, and I am so excited. And I'm going to go because I really want to go through the manual and get it all set up and start using it because it's so cool.